Ielts essay question. What technologies did you use to help you in your studies? Describe how it has helped you. Use specific reasons and details to support your answer. In the modern era, technology has become an indispensable part of our lives, including the realm of education. As a student, I have had the privilege of utilizing various technological tools and resources to enhance my studies. These technologies have not only revolutionized the way I learn but also significantly improved my academic performance and overall educational experience. In this essay, I will discuss some of the key technologies I have utilized in my studies, highlighting their specific benefits and impact on my learning journey. One of the most prominent technologies that have greatly assisted me in my studies is online research platforms and databases. Gone are the days of flipping through countless pages in physical books in search of information. With the advent of the Internet, I now have access to a vast array of scholarly articles, research papers, and educational resources at my fingertips. Online libraries and databases offer a quick and efficient way to find relevant and reliable information on any topic. This ease of access has not only saved me valuable time but has also enabled me to delve deeper into subjects, enhancing the quality and depth of my academic work. Another technology that has been instrumental in supporting my studies is note-taking apps and organization tools. Instead of carrying around multiple notebooks and loose papers, I now rely on digital note-taking applications that sync across all my devices. These apps allow me to organize my study materials, class notes, and project outlines systematically. I can easily search and retrieve information, which has proven to be immensely beneficial during exam preparation and revision periods. Moreover, the ability to add multimedia elements, such as images and audio recordings, to my notes has made the learning process more engaging and interactive. In conclusion, the integration of technology into my studies has been a game-changer, revolutionizing the way I learn and absorb knowledge. Online research platforms have provided me with an endless pool of resources, enabling me to conduct in-depth research and produce well-rounded academic work. Additionally, note-taking apps have enhanced my organizational skills and simplified the process of revisiting and retaining information. Embracing these technologies has undoubtedly played a pivotal role in my academic success and has prepared me to thrive in a technology-driven world. As technology continues to advance, I look forward to exploring even more innovative tools to further enhance my educational journey.